Hello, friends. Today we will discuss about ERP software solution for building construction companies. Introduction. Construction ERP software is a business solution that provides comprehensive and powerful analytics using data from various construction processes and to use them as a tool to effectively manage the full cycle of a project and all the various assets and manpower that are employed in the project. Major challenges to build construction industry. There are several challenges with bigger projects as faced by the building construction companies. Since the volume of materials is huge, accountability of materials used becomes a huge task at hand. Optimized planning is also necessary for the effective utilization of labor, architectural designs, and schedules. A high degree of flexibility to prove in a highly competitive and challenging market becomes very crucial. A few challenges faced are 1. The availability of real-time reports from construction site operations. 2. Allocation of stock disbursement to various subcontractors. 3. Proper record maintenance for materials used in different departments and areas. 4. The way a wide team of subcontractors and contractors is handled for accountability and provisions. 5. Daily progress report from project. 6. Monitoring admin cost and overheads at site. Once the challenges are overcome, ERP for construction facilitates tender analysis to sharpen pricing and margin calculation and ensuring strategic negotiation with clients, subcontractors, and vendors. Important ERP features to meet the needs of construction companies. ERP construction management software provides the means to develop business intelligence by turning data into reports and insights that can get to capitalize on new market opportunities and strengthening the existing ones. A few core ERP features required are 1. Integration. Any data silos leading to inefficiency can be avoided when the ERP provides a central view of essential operational and business data that can be intershared in the organization in near real time. 2. Automation. The ERP software for construction provides the functionality to automate repeatable tasks such as invoicing, processing, and reporting. This ensures minimal time is spent on data entry and time is allocated to more valuable tasks with zero errors. 3. Data analysis and reporting. When any material or labor is dispersed, the history well indicates the inventory utilization and reveals trends to improve business results. The reporting of ERP modules helps compile information that may be essential for the management to make informed decisions with a visual dashboard. 4. Accounting and visibility. The construction project management software help in advanced tasks such as tax management, revenue recognition, fixed assets management, and cash management. Where the organizations are large and complex, ERP tools and their functions are necessary for sound financial management. Benefits of ORX. ORX is designed with the latest responsive technology that can support any platform and screen size. The ORX can let the management have total control over the operations and the site of various business activities. It aids majorly in 1. Managing machinery and inventory. It offers a unidirectional flow of data and eliminates all possibilities of a user to erase or modify any important data. Bigger volumes are not feasible to operate with accuracy manually or with simple automation. The ORX helps in reducing unwanted costs and maximizing profits with no requirement of specialized skills. 2. High-tech cloud operating system. This robust architectural system helps in superfast informatics and analytics and protects data against threats, manipulation, modification, and leakage. 3. Financial progress tracking. It sets up the budget concerning the area and material and tracks the real-time progress of the project. Any material inflow and outflow are tracked with vendor outstanding, and the state-of-the-art management through an ERP inflates productivity. 4. HR management. A daily dairy feature is provided, and on-time salary disbursements, as well as compliances, are set for timely fulfillment and seamless delivery. To know more about ERP software solution, visit at endel.digital. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.